Next one.
Okay, so we thought about dividing our project into three parts. The first part will be to classify the material event from the SEC 8K report. We could use Fin GPT to do that. The second part was to forecast a series of events based on the classification that we made in the first part. And the third part was to have algorithmic trading based on the trade signal that we will get in the part show.
Okay, so some of the important differences from the 2019, can you max this, paper are, first, that the events would be tailored specifically for a particular event trading driven strategy. The 2019 paper just looked at general events. It didn't tailor it to a specific purpose. It just categorized it to 10 different events and looked at whether or not they could predict the future sequence based on a memory of sequences. The second part that would be different is using Fin GPT to map the forecasted events, or to map the events from memory to the forecasted events using Fin GPT instead of fuzzy matching. So that paper used fuzzy matching. I'm sorry, I misspoke. So
excuse me,
I meant to say mapping reports to the events.
Can you click
we
on
would
the
use Fin
presentation
GPT to
too?
map the SEC 8K reports to certain events instead of using fuzzy matching. And then the third difference is that their paper doesn't cover algorithmic trading, so it doesn't apply what they were researching, whereas we would actually apply it by using algorithmic trading in part 3. Okay, and then the next question is, which event-driven trading strategy would we use? So there's a whole lot of different event-driven trading strategies, and it would be really difficult to go to try to apply it for all of them. So we narrowed it down, and we came up with these 4 top choices based on relative ease. We used ChatGPT to score them, and these are the 4 that we came up with: share buybacks, spin-offs, management changes, and merger arbitrage. So we're trying to figure out which would make the most sense for us right now. I think we're leaning towards share buybacks. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the next part is the timeline.
Okay. So if the project is accepted as it is, we estimated the end of the part 1 to be on May 30. And we will start from next week, Monday, and have around a month for the data collection and processing part, and to apply on Fin GPT will take another month. And we thought about documenting and reporting everything that we will be doing throughout the previous month. And the end of this report will be at most on the 30th May. So thank you. That was about our
Yeah,
project.
that's good, guys. I guess you guys have put a good amount of effort, and thanks for all the PPT and everything that you have done. This is properly well planned, and you also have looked into the steps. I wanted to go to slide 3, if you can. I had some questions on that, or maybe slide 4.
Yeah, Famat, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, can you maximize the screen by making presentation format so we don't see? That's it.
Yeah, perfect. Now, I was a little confused. So you mentioned in the point